Hello children, in the last previous sessions we have finished your first lesson and today I am going to teach the first poem, that is Self-Reliance. I am going to tell you some important points how to lead our life. Understand? That is also one of the important aspects. You are in the class of 7th standard student. Being as a 7th standard students, you should think about to win a life. What moral qualities or values we have to adapt ourselves. That is what, when you are going to get water, you are going to win the life. Life is ours, that is a full of opportunities and we should utilize the opportunities and we should make our life bright. And also when you are going to face the whatever opportunities are coming or troubles are coming, whatever problems are coming, we should face it that. And on your own, if you want to face the problems, means you should face the problems or opportunities or whatever it may be, you should face on your own. Then you are going to get the what a bright life in your future. That is why they gave you the poem Self-Reliance. Self-Reliance means what? Self-confident. It is self-confident. So you are going to read the lesson, poem and everything, question answers that this last time you shared with me. Ma'am, we are not able to read long answers, passages. It is not possible. We cannot make sentences on our own. These are the problems already you shared with me. What I said, the suggestion, you should try. When the first time baby and all, suddenly they cannot walk properly like us, understand? So first day it is crabbling and after some days it is starting to stand with the help of others, understand, some materials. Next one day it is started walking slowly, next running, next walking like us. This is the what psychological order it is, understand? And in the same way we also have to start our work daily days. Day by day you are going to recover, you will be good in reading, you will be good in writing. That will happen in the future itself. But future you should not think today itself, but today what step we should follow, that is very important. So we should try. What is our negative, that you try to change the negative and make it a positive. Understand? So positive thinking is very important. With this hope of the what positive thinking, today I am going to start the poem Self-Reliance. Here see pre-reading activity. It is this poem is written by Kathleen Delicato, and many factors help a person to attain a success. To get a success, many patterns or many ways are there. Yes or no? In front of us only so many ways are there. For example, I am going to tell 10th examination or PU examination or 7th board examination comes, mean what we all the teachers we are going to tell you, we are taking revision, we are giving you question answers to read, understand? But before that you should understand the lesson itself. Then you start reading, writing, anything you are going to understand that. Understand children? So that is here to win our life, so many ways are there, so many ideas will be there that we should utilize it. And complete this chart and bubbles with the factors which help you to make your life meaningful. When our life will be meaningful, when we are struggling with the problem, when we are going to think always positively. If we are good, means our life will be good in future. But what are the aspects we have to follow? In your textbook some chart they give to win the life. What we have to do to win a life? Life is ours, yes or no? We have to win our life. So what to do? First one is self-confidence. Firstly, we should have the self-confidence. That is very very important in our life. To win a life, what we need first? Self-confidence. We should be confident. Nampike irಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ. That is called what? Self-confidence. I can read this poem. I can by-heart this poem for memorization. It is for memorization for the 7th standard first poem. So now only I am going to tell you, you should by-heart this poem. How you are going to by-heart? First you have the self-confidence. I can read this poem. I can read and I can by-heart. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, that is called what? Self-confidence. Understand? If you have this self-confidence, then easily you can win your life. And next one is honest work. I already told many times, I told in your class also, honest work. You should not take any other such solutions, suggestions, and how you can read this answer, how can we read this. It is full lengthy passage, lengthy answer. You should not take help of others. You should do on your own. That is what honest work, day-to-day work is. The teacher told this. Today I am going to teach you this poem. Today itself you can start what work I have assigned. Understand? What work I already given you. That work you start study. That is day by day you are going to adapt yourself. Then that will become what? Honest work. You should be honest. That is honest work also helping to win a life. And sacrifice. Sacrifice means some tyaganu madbekku. Sacrifice it. Understand? See now, to get freedom, many freedom fighters let their sacrifice their lives to us to get freedom. See now, we have got freedom now, but the sacrificed people are not with us. That is why what happened? Those are becoming a sacrificed persons. That is also one of the aspects to win a life. And next one is self-satisfaction. Self-satisfaction was what? Whatever we did work, we have satisfaction, self-satisfaction. On our own, we should think that yes, I did this work, it is very good. Like that, self-satisfaction also one of the important aspect for the winning a life. Next is generosity. Generosity is what? That is also one of the aspect. We should have the broad-minded. And next is what? Contentment. Contentment also one of the aspect, that is contentment is what it is. Contentment also, contentment means what? Satisfaction. It is self-satisfaction. It is what? Satisfaction from others to win a life. You should ask. You are going to think, yes, I did the correct work, but you should ask one word to your elders. Understand? Whether I did like this, whether it is good or what. That is what? Contentment. That is satisfaction. We should get and we should receive from others also that. And self-discernment means a judgment. It is self-judgment. We should have that. Whatever answer I wrote, is that correct answer or wrong answer? Whatever decision I took, that is a correct or wrong? We should have the judgment. That is called what? Self-discernment. That is also helping to win a life. Understand? These are the aspects are very, very important. We should adapt that. Then only it is possible to have a meaningful life in your future. Understand, children? This is very important. Already they gave you a chart in your textbook. If you later you have filled this all the words in the blank. So after completing the chart and the bubbles, name some people who had these qualities. With these qualities already I wrote on the board. What they are going to ask? These all the qualities. Who have the qualities? Some names they are going to ask. In front of you, who have generosity, who have self-confidence, honest work, sacrifice, self-satisfaction, self-discernment, and contentment. These are all the qualities. Who have these all the qualities? Name that person they asked. And this poem tells you how self-reliance helps a person win a life. This poem they kept you for what? What it tells self-reliance? It helps a person win a life. Who are the weak person? Weak means what? Not what physically, mentally who are weak. This poem helps them to get a strongness or what a strength. And it is very helpful. This poem is very helpful to get a winning a life. The poet wants to depend upon herself even if she fails sometimes. What happened? Kathleen Delicado, name of the poet I told who wrote this self-reliance poem. Sometimes what happened? The poets want to depend upon herself. Means always we have to depend ourselves. That is, she fails sometimes. Whenever we depend on ourselves, sometimes we may make mistakes. Understand? Sometimes our ideas will be fail. Here also happen that things. And she says she can ask others for their opinion. When she fails, suddenly she is going to ask opinion from others. She was collecting the opinion from others. That is what the contentment. But ultimately it is her self-confidence which helps her to take a royal road to success. What happened? Ultimately, one word she is going to ask the opinion from others. But ultimately, we are only last person to decide which is the royal road, which is the richest idea. Then that is depend on us. This is the poem and about the poet. Then we are going to get the success in our life. Life is very short, but in that short period, we are going to get the success. That is why the poet Kathleen Delicado, she had given a poem for the 7th standard, self-reliance, self-confidence. If the board exams are there, no problem. Daily you should read it. If it is possible to get the good score in the examination. Understand? So on that base, what she said, sometimes we are also choosing, sometimes we are also making some laws, rules and all. If it fails, what happen? We should get it opinion from others. But ultimately means lastly, finally, who is the ruler there? And we are the ruler for ourselves to win the life, to get the success. Understand? I am going to start this. Here, see now what happened. First paragraph. I realize now that I am alone. What happened here? The poet itself, the poet herself, she was going to tell, I realize now that I am alone. I know that. She realized, she knew that. What happened? She was alone. On myself, I must learn to rely. What happened? Myself, I can trust. I trust myself. Who is going to tell this? The poet herself, she was going to tell. She has to learn. She trusts herself. I have to begin to stand on my own. What happened? I have to begin to stand on my own. What happened? She has to begin to stand on her own. She has to stand. We stood already on our legs, but it is not a lie. But we should get the appreciation from others. That is getting what? Meaningful life. So that is why what happened? I have to begin to stand on my own. What a begin means, step by step she is going to become a strong on her own. If I fail, I must continue to try. What happened? If I fail, in that means again I am going to continue to facing the problems, or I am going to stand again. I can ask others for their opinions. What happened? If I fail, again I am trying. And I am going to ask others for the opinion. What is the opinion and all. Again I will make it correct. If it is also not possible, again I will try with my own efforts. Next, but ultimately it's I who will decide. What happened? But ultimately, lastly, who is going to decide? This is our life. We know that. If my life is going to fail, I am going to correct it. If again fails means again I have to try. If I failed in the exam means again I have to try to get the good marks in the examination. If I fails means again I should get the opinion from others. The opinions we are receiving, but who is going to try again? Again myself. Understand? The poet herself here, poet herself again she is going to decide which means way is good. I will be the ruler of my dominion. What happened here? Poet herself, she is the leader of her dominion or kingdom, but determining which road I will take with the pride. Determining means decide which road is good, which is the richest road, which path is good, which way is good to lead our life. Understand? There is a positive way and negative way. Both will be there. And which one we should decide. Which road I will take with the pride, with the happiness and all. And though some may disagree with my choices. Whenever she choose the what choices and all, what happened? Which way she choose? Some what happened? Some disagree. Disagree means what it is? Agree, disagree, both. Some are not satisfying with her choice. No, this way is not good. Sometimes she was getting that opposes also, disagree also. And thinking they know a better path to take. What happened? Thinking, they are thinking what? They know a better path to take. They are thinking opinion when we are receiving from others. They are thinking they know better way or path. Understand? But what happened? Though people in abuse raise their voices. What happened? Whenever we decide on our own, people are abusing. some bad words they are going to tell us. They are going to use a cruel words to hurt us. But though we should be strong. Understand? It's up to me, my destiny to make. It's up to me. That is my life. It's up to me. I can read. I can write. Understand? I can win this. What happened? Whatever competition you have, like that self-confidence, then you will reach your goal. And see now what happened? It's up to me, my destiny to make. It is my fate. Understand? That is destiny of fate. I can face it. And by being true to myself, I begin. What happened here? By being true. It is my fate. It is real only. I can begin this. Again, whatever I fails means, again I begin the work. To learn how to stand alone and how to win. To learn how to stand alone, how to win. I know myself, I begin. Means what it is? I know myself how I am. But I begin to learn. I started learning how to stand alone and how to win. How to stand alone means what it is? To face any problems, and how to stand alone I have to fight with that. Exams regarding me. Understand, you all are children? Exams are regarding you. Understand? So you should work hard. That is why one of the aspect it is honest work. Understand? Hard work it is. Belongs to hard work. We should do hard work. And self-confidence important. And then self-satisfaction, sacrifice. Sacrifice means you are going to, sometimes you are time passing with your friends and all. That you should stop it. Again you should start hard work and all, honest work, that is sacrifice. And contentment. Contentment means satisfaction it is. We get from others. And self-discernment. This is also one of the aspects. Self-judgment it is. And generosity. It is open up it is. We should have a broad mind. These all the qualities when we are having, then we are able to stand alone in the society. Understand? Then we are getting appreciation also, sometimes disagrees also with our choices. But we should face our problems whatever it may be here on our own. That is why they gave you poem. In the poem itself what happened? The Catherine Delicatu, the poet, is a woman. That woman is suffering from some problems in the society. She had so many relatives, so many people and all. She was the ruler in her kingdom, but though she was feeling a loneliness. Why? Because she was facing a problem. When she get solution from others, and again she was going to think whether it is right or wrong. On her own, she was taking a whatever thinking and all. She was deciding whatever decision she was taking on her own with the confidence, with the self-confidence she was receiving, and she was leading her life. Finally, she got winning in that. See now, she learned that how to stand alone and how to win a life. This is the poem, children, and I already told you some words and qualities I wrote and shown, and this is very important. These qualities are when we are having, then there is a chance to win a life. This is very important. And new word they gave. Relay means what? Trust or have a faith. And dominion means territory with one ruler. And determine means decide. Path means route or course of action. Abuse means unkind or cruel words. Destiny means fate. Some cruel people also will be available in the society, but we should face them on our own. See now, just this chart you copy it. If you have, when you have a time, you copy it in your textbook and fill the blanks. Okay, children. Bye. Again, see you in the next class. And next, again, one more thing I am going to tell you. Soon we are going to get revision pattern, that we are going to take a test on first one lesson and one poem. So you study on that. Understand, children? Okay.